Good morning, traders. Another quick 5-minute Bitcoin update for you guys today. First of all, a quick public service announcement. We do currently have 30% off of our crew membership. This is our summer special, so you get 30% off for 3 months if you would like to come and join the crew. Within the crew, we do daily trading rooms. We've got a ton of educational content. It's a really great community, and yeah, if you would like to improve your trading or learn new concepts, then please do come and join us. You can do that by visiting wop.com/Taurus Crypto. Use the code Summer Sale, and that will give you 30% off your monthly membership for the next 3 months. Also, we do have the Bybit WSOT World Series of Trading competition that is starting very soon. So if you would like to join our team, then just scan that QR code, or once again come over onto our Discord, and the full announcement is over there. Anyway, back into the PA. So on the daily time frame, okay, you can see once again we kind of yesterday just basically gave back the gains from the day before. Okay, we had a move up that tested back into this range low on Wednesday, and then on Thursday it was again another test but then a rejection. So a very similar candle, just the opposite of what we had the day before. Price action was really nice yesterday. Actually, I quite enjoyed it. If we're looking at the 50 AMA, you can still see consolidation below that. As of yet, we're still, it is undetermined whether this is a deviation outside of this range and we are looking then for higher prices, or whether this was yesterday a bearish backtest and then we are looking for the levels lower. You'll know that the main levels for myself from the higher time frames, 28,450, okay, that takes us up to that previous range high. If we are to sweep this low, we'd be looking for a move down towards there. If this gets really dumpy, then that 26,880 takes us back down to fill this whole move on the way up. And if we are to see this as being a deviation, then that 30,450 is the main target for that. So you're either targeting these long positions with your stop down here up towards here, or you are targeting basically the short positions from that range high, which is basically from yesterday. Some invalidation if you reclaim this. So if we start to get these closes back inside like this, that would invalidate this idea. But otherwise, you're looking down towards kind of that 28,450 and 26,880 region on the chart. So that's your daily time frame. If we go down onto the 4-hour, once again, you can see this is really nice and really nice right now, the 4-hour time frame. 50 EMA just causing some pressure to the downside. That 200 is there. We had the death cross. We had the movement back inside to basically test that cross and getting a bit of a rejection. If we look on our higher time frame fibs, we're at that golden pocket right now, so we're at fairly high time frame support at the moment. I say high time frame. This is the 4-hour. And yeah, just seeming to hold here within the range. Okay, so let's just go back on. Let's go down onto the 30-minute time frame, because that's a little bit better right now. Let's take off the EMAs. And a very quick recap for what we had yesterday. Okay, so we've moved around. Like, obviously we had, this is your previous day open here, the daily level, and here's our new daily open. Yesterday we were looking for, if we look at this, we wanted to get that move down into range POC, which we got backtest of what was the daily open, and then a move down to value area low. So we got that nice little corrective move throughout the day, and then reverted back into the POC. So what I did on yesterday's evening update, I was saying I think this is probably going to hold here, and we're looking for this to float back in towards that point of control, just for more internal price action at the moment. And yeah, that's what we've had so far. So yeah, decent price action. This morning I had a bit of a weird read. I got into a long earlier, actually closed out of that, but I'm considering getting back into this now. What we have as the setup for today was, I was looking at, basically this. I quite liked how it was holding here. But then when we got that candle close below, that was another break of structure to the downside. And for myself now, I'm looking for a bit more strength to get back into a long. This targets the 80% setup. You'd be targeting that previous day open, and also you'd be kind of coming back up to target the previous day point of control. It's probably a little bit easier at this stage where you can see, okay, you've got confluence with range point of control at your daily open, you've got confluence with range value area high at that previous day open. And then if we are to come a little bit higher, we've got your previous day POC up here around about that 29,450. I'm just going to go over onto this where you can see the TPO, and this clears it up a little bit. Let's reset that. Reset. There we go. Okay, so 29,460, previous day point of control. Value area low is there. I know we opened like right at it, so we do kind of have a semi 80% setup. What was that noise? Had some random alert go off in the background. Don't know what that is. But yeah, if we are to get that push back inside, say at this stage, we're looking for acceptance above 29,200. I think it's quite likely that we can be looking for those long positions higher. I'm going to wrap it up there. That is enough, I think, at this stage. The only other thing to say is we keep getting this. 4 hours showing a nice buy right now, but there's still a bit of time to go left on this particular candle. We do have bullish CVD on within this whole range here, so there is a lot of selling going on, but we did have that within the previous range as well. Okay, we did have a strong buy before this last flush, so don't take the CVD to be too serious right now. It is consistently bullish divergence. Whether that starts to play out, it really is anyone's guess. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you soon. Have a great day. Bye.